This boho luxurious headband is the one I recently made using this Sedge stitch. The edging is explained in the video, so stay tuned till the end. The Sedge stitch, the foundation is a multiple of 3 plus 2. I made 54 chains, then I'm making 2 more. Now in the second chain from hook, I'm going to make a single crochet. This is a classic Sedge stitch. So single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet in the same stitch. Then we skip 2. Then on the third one we again make single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. So go ahead and you can do all this same way. Skip 2 in the next one, make one single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. We are going to make this in lengthwise. That's why I made this long chain. Now we are in the end. 1, 2, and the last one we are going to make a single crochet. Then chain 1 and we turn our work. Then I'm going to make again a single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet in the first single crochet space. Then skip the next 2 stitches and on the next space here we make single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet all in the same stitch. Then again skip 2 and we are going to make same single crochet, half double crochet and a double crochet. Finish all the way up to the end and end with the single crochet. Then we change the color. Now we are at the end of the row, so we skip the next 2 stitches and in the last one we are going to make a single crochet, but we want to change the color. So I insert the hook, bring up a loop, and instead of finishing that one I'm going to grab my next color and pull it through, then tighten this one, then chain 1. I'm not cutting this yarn because going to do 2 rows in green, then I will come back to the beige yarn. Then again I'm going to make a single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Then skip 2, again make a single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. So repeat the pattern and make another row, end with a single crochet over here, then come back with the green, then I will show you how to change the color. So finish the next 2 rows and we will meet again. Now we are finishing the second row of the Sedge stitch in green. Now I'm in the last stitch. I want to make a single crochet, so I'm going to finish that single crochet with the beige yarn. Okay, then again repeat the pattern. I'm going to make it a little wider because it is still cold here. It is nice to have a nice ear warmer. Now I'm finishing this one. This Sedge stitch creates a reversible fabric, looking nice. Now we cut the yarn here and tighten the thing, and now we are going to, all left is weave these ones in. But before that, we can finish this headband. I'm going to give it a twist like this, like an infinity one. Then so keep it straight, then like this, and you stitch the ends together so you get a twist over there. If you like headbands like this, or the small and interesting crochet projects, and to learn new stitches, just subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers nowadays, so help me to grow. Now I stitch the ends together, then turn it inside out. I still get that twist. Looking nice, right? You can finish by doing this one. It gives a lot of boho luxurious texture, but I want to do a little bit of edging over the foundation chain. I'm going to attach the yarn in one end where I stitch them together, then chain one. I'm going to make single crochets along the edges. Finish making a single crochet following this edge, so you'll be going all the way here and coming all the way to here. So I started from here, went all the way and finished all over here. Now I'm going to chain one, turn it, single crochet in the same stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, then going to make chain 4 and slip stitch into the first chain, slip stitch over here, then single crochet in the next 2, and the third one too. Again chain 4, come back and to first chain we make a slip stitch, then slip stitch in the same base single crochet and repeat.